So I tend to get a lot of questions about how I started my YouTube channel, what did I use to edit and shoot, and the whole shebang. So this is my how I got started on YouTube video. For all of you guys who have been subscribed for quite some time, you can probably go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom and see that my first video that I posted is titled Blanche Ely High School Pre-Prom, in which pre-prom in my town is like the high school Grammys. So yes, I said the high school Grammys, and let me tell you guys why. So pre-prom is the time where it is, of course, your high school senior year, and it's prom time. So we do this thing called pre-prom, where you go to the high school or wherever they choose for it to be that year, and you go ahead, you show off, you know, your dress and your car and everything of that sort. So be sure to go ahead and check that video out if you haven't, to see what pre-prom at Blanche Ely High School was all about. So as I started to look for Bethune-Cookman on YouTube to see like the dorms and, you know, what was there to do, I could not find anything. There was like videos of the band and videos of the basketball team and like everything sports related, but just for like, you know, regular schmegular people who weren't athletes or in the band or anything like that, there was nothing for you to see. So I got there my freshman year, and I was kind of still quiet and I wouldn't talk to anybody because I didn't know anybody, and I was used to like just being, okay, I'm the only child, so there was always my cousins or my family who I was with. And then at high school, like, I always hung with the same group of people. So when it came time for college and none of us were going to the same place, it was just kind of like, okay, gotta start this over again. So then I had this bright idea where, okay, there aren't any videos telling you, you know, how to prepare for life at BCU, what you should do, what you should get, and things of that sort. So that is what I then in return did. For BCU 18 and BCU 19, I went ahead and I gave them their own series of, okay, how you should fill out the paperwork for financial aid, who you should call if you need this, you know, different orgs around the campus to look at, different people to talk to. And I didn't really, you know if it was gonna work or whatever, but I took that chance. When I originally started my YouTube channel, I was shooting with a iPhone 4. So then after that, I switched to an old LG, I think it is the LG 450. And I was still editing on the YouTube Creator and Windows Movie Maker. So it wasn't until, I would say, 2 years ago, my sophomore year or my junior year. It was either my sophomore year or my junior year that I went ahead and got my camera here, which is the Sony A5100, and that is what I use to record literally everything you've seen on my channel has been recorded with this camera here since about 2 years ago. So I moved on from the YouTube Creator and the Windows Movie Maker to, at one point I was using Sony Vegas Pro, but now I have been using iMovie as of lately. So those are all, you know, great things to use. And like I said, I started off with my iPhone 4. The camera quality on the iPhone 7 and, you know, the newer phones are awesome. So you guys could start off with that, so you don't have to just, you know, jump into, oh my god, I gotta go buy this expensive camera, because truth is, like, you really don't. Like, if you don't want to take this serious and you're not going to use a $200 or $600 camera for something else, don't buy it. Use your phone and keep your money to go and buy something else. Everyone always asks me advice for starting their own YouTube channel, and I tell them all the same. Just do it. Like, don't do it for the money, don't do it for popularity, don't do it for the likes. Just do it because it's something that you want to do. Which brings me to, don't do it for the money. Like, if you do it for the money, I promise you will hate it. I started YouTube, like I said, because it was something that I wanted to do, and I didn't know that I could get paid for it till like a year later. And then I went back to try to like monetize all those videos, but I had put music and different things like that, so I wasn't getting paid for any of that. So once it clicked in my head that I could get paid, I was like, okay, yeah, I could do this. But I didn't do it for the money. Another piece of advice that I could give you guys is don't second guess your videos. I started off doing that. Like, I would have videos galore, and then once I went back and I watched the videos, I was like, I don't like the way my hair was in this one, or oh, I don't like the way I said this word in this one, when in fact, like, that's just the way I talked. I can't control it. That's how I sound. So yeah, don't second guess your work. And like I said, just do it. Nobody can tell you what you want to record, what you want to edit, what you like, or anything of that sort, because it is your channel. And guys, like, when I say the likes, the subscribes, everything will come. You just have to like just wait. Like, some people blow up in a day, some people blow up in a second, and you know, there's regular people like me and you who may blow up 5 years after you started your YouTube channel. It's just kind of like sort of a hit and miss, which is why I said do it because you love it, not for the money. So I hope that I answered all of your questions about how I started my YouTube channel and how you can get started on your very own YouTube channel. So be sure to go ahead and hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feedback, suggestions, all of that good stuff, be sure to go down below to the comment box and be sure to tell me what you're thinking, and I'll be sure to get back with you. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching.